Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What a day today. What a day. Got so much good news for you today. Everyone gets a pay rise today. Every single person. Very exciting. Can't wait to tell you about it. It's a great, great day. The markets are super green. We're breaking all-time records again. Very, very exciting. $91,670 going up. We've got the FOMC report today. Don't expect a rate cut today, but do expect a dovish signal. Plus, everyone gets a pay rise today. Ask me about it. When I see the channel spamming out of control with copy and paste, I will tell you. But yep, every single person watching today here is going to get a pay rise. Yep, I'll tell you all about it in a minute when everybody's in. When the channel goes berserk, copy and paste, tell me, you comment, tell me, I want to know. I will tell you how everyone can get a pay rise today. Right. No messing, not joking. This is not an April Fool or anything like that. Anyway, good morning, Henrik. Good afternoon, Martin and John. Welcome from Denmark. FSRN, Fisker, new safety software updates. Fantastic. Thanks for letting us know. Let's hope that Fisker is going to do well shortly. Wish everybody in Fisker the best of luck. The Hustle Brothers. Hi, guys. How you doing? Mike, hello. How are you today? Mike, are you ready for your pay rise today? Yeah, everyone gets a pay rise today. Let's welcome our guests over there on the extra channel. Mike, are you? That's all good. Let me just check we're all feeding through. Lovely. Oh, hang on a minute. My camera... Is my camera not showing today? Let me have a look. Let me turn that on. Oh, it's failed. Hang on a minute. Let me make sure. That's good. What's happened there then? Let me exit this. Just bear with me. Just got to fix my virtual camera at the back of the studio. It's working, but it's not coming through at the moment on the main system. So just bear with me. Just make a couple of tweaks here. These things happen from time to time. No device found. Rescan. What's going on? It's working. It's on. Oh, there it is. Now you found it. All right. Anyway, see our portfolio going up. This is good. 91,670. And morning hustle, bloody hell right, I'm ready. Yeah, Mike, absolutely. Bluetooth failed. Hang on a minute, what's going on here? Let me just turn my Bluetooth. Oh, you cannot turn my Bluetooth off because I'm connected, right? Yeah, let me try that again. Try it again. Might have a few issues here this morning until I can get this fixed, but we'll be there in a minute. Yeah, really good. Hello in the voice of Mrs. Doubtfire. Hello. How you doing? Right, I've got to make some on-the-fly adjustments. So what first thing I got to do, I got to go from Bluetooth trackpad to plugged in. Right, I plugged it in. Now I can turn my Bluetooth on and off. Turn my Bluetooth off. Yeah. Turn Bluetooth off. Yeah. Turn Bluetooth off. Turn Bluetooth on. All right. And now, Wi-Fi. Turn Wi-Fi off. Turn Wi-Fi on. Right. Okay. It's a bit scary when you're live and you're doing all these things live, but sometimes you have to be brave, right? Okay. Rescan. I've got a Bluetooth camera and I've got to connect to it. It's wired for the extra channel, but it's Bluetoothed for this channel. Let's have a quick sip of tea. Getting ready for CPI. We've got a few minutes. That's why I'm early today. Here we go. Connect. I fixed it. Well, nearly. Just move one step forward. Wax on, wax off. John, good morning. Connected, done. Right, okay. Now then, line that up over here. Stick that down there. Bring that down there. Take that up there. Press that button there. And voila, we are back. There is my extra camera. Good, good, good. We fixed it. Right, now then, very exciting. We are about to announce a very, very special, exciting day today. You are going to love it. So, who wants a pay rise today? I want the channel to go mad. Every single person today can get a pay rise. You just got to pay attention. Pay attention today. Right, you ready? Let's do it. If you've just tuned in, click subscribe and ring the bell. And tap the like button as well. Tap the like button if you want a pay rise today. Everybody, I bet no one even knows about it. I bet no one knows about it. No one's even getting excited. It's like you're going, you can't give me a pay rise. There's no way. I just think it's a con. You're fooling me. You're messing me about. You're wasting my time on YouTube this morning. No, I ain't. You ready? Okay, I'll tell you. I'm declaring this is a troll-free zone. John Granford, yeah, I'm trolling myself. I'm making up stuff myself. I can't wait anymore. I've got to tell you, because you're just rubbish. You're just not doing it. Right, okay, you're not playing the game. You're not playing the game. So let me do it. We want to go green and orange. We want gold. Right. Okay. Do you want a pay rise today? Yes, the studio is gold. We're celebrating. The markets are up. We're making money for free. Yes, you can have a pay rise today. This is no joke. This is real. This is the best video I've ever made because it helps people, makes the money for doing absolutely nothing. And we know so many people want to get rich with doing nothing. Well, now you can. It happened today. What am I talking about? Well, everyone today is going to get a pay rise. Everybody. Do you know what you have to do? Look at this. As you know, I'm on Robinhood. There is my Robinhood account just there. And as you can see, I'm a gold member. I pay $5 a month, or you can do it yearly now to save yourself a couple of months. It's worth it for me because I earn all the benefits like the 3% match and the 5.25 APY and all the other stuff. There's loads of features. If you only have $50 in your account and you don't use any of the features, it isn't worth it. But if you use most things or just some of the things, it's worth it. But today, it got even more worth it. Look at this, the gold perks. Click on the gold perks. Scroll down. What do you see? What do you see? Yes, 5.25. It says 5%. I don't know why it says that. But anyway, 5.25% is the interest you're earning. But look below that, 3% match on your IRA or your Roth. But look below. Look, it arrived today. A 1% match boost on all money invested, even if you hold it in cash on Robinhood, unlimited forever. So 1% free money just by putting it in Robinhood. You don't even have to buy a single share. You can put it in your cash, even if you've got margin. So for me, it's brilliant because my 6.25% margin rate has just come down by a whole percent. Fantastic. How is that possible? Look, 1% boost. What does that mean? There you go. Lifetime 1% boost. I've earned, it just started today. I've earned nothing yet and pending $6.74. Right, the boosts are paid out over the next 24 months. So a couple of days ago on June the 10th, I deposited $623. That was my USD cash I was holding on Coinbase, earning 5%. I've transferred it to Robinhood now because I can now earn a 1% boost and a 5%, 5.25% interest payment. So I'm getting 6.25% for free for doing absolutely nothing. Now, in my case, because I'm using margin, I don't earn the uninvested cash, but I get the 1%, but it will save me the 6.25% interest as well. So that's why I've done it. I'm making more money, right? And I put on June the 10th, $50 to test it was working. And as you can see, there is my money. Now, what happens is it will be paid out over 2 years. So you don't just get a lump sum of money because everybody go, well, I'll put $1 million in and I'll get $10,000 and I'll draw my money out. No, it doesn't work like that. You put your money in. You don't have to buy any stocks. You leave it in your brokerage. You're earning 5.25% interest on it anyway, and they give you another percent. But what they do, they pay you out over time. So let me have a look here. Let me just cut the video there a second. Hang on a minute. I just don't want to reveal my own account number, obviously, in my details. Right, history. Show all. Okay, here we go. We'll come back to this. Right, we'll cut it there. Hood at top, cut. Okay, so let's pick it up. Right, so your money's in Robinhood, right? As you can see, it's going to be paid out over time. If I go show all, you will see that for the money I've got in at the moment, I'm earning 19 cents on June 30th. July the 31st, 29 cents, 28 cents, 28 cents, 28 cents, and you see it carry on. Now, what's going to happen is once the other money arrives, so you can see here, there's the 632, then the 50 that's still pending, the 50 that's going to be added, that number will go up. So as I will see every month, I will earn more and more. It's basically interest, if you like, a match on my money. Very exciting. So at the moment, I'm going to earn 29 cents a month for the next 2 years for doing absolutely nothing. Now, what's really exciting is on the 21st of the month is my payday for YouTube, which is in 9 days' time. I get paid and I bring a couple of $1,000 in to my account. They will give me 1%. So they will give me $20 completely free. And not only is that going to reduce my margin for me by 6.25%, in your case it might just be cash where you're earning 5.25%. They're going to give me a 1% match. So there we go. Very, very exciting stuff. I thought you might like that. We've got to go. We've just had breaking news. The portfolio is exploding again. Look at today. This must be CPI coming great. So what a moment to announce it. Click above my head for all the links. If you want the link to my gold account in the United States, you can get a $2,000 credit card. If you want free stocks in the UK, you can get free stocks because I've got a UK account. You can also get free stocks in the US, all above my head, down below in the description as well, and pinned to the comments. Yes, if you are in the UK, you can get free stocks. If you are in the US, you get free stocks, and you can also get the gold plan. Why anyone wouldn't get a gold plan today, I've no idea. It's only $5 a month. It pays for itself over and over again. What a fantastic day. Click above my head for all of those links down below in the description, and over here, I'll put more information in the series. CPI has just popped exactly as expected. Rates will come down in the summer. There it is, live. This couldn't be better. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, okay, let's go over to CPI. Here we go.
Down 0.5%. A lot of focus on used cars, which were up 0.6%. But new cars have double the weighting in the CPI of used cars, so that's a significant drop. Motor vehicle insurance, which has been rising and has been huge, goes down 0.1%. And then for shelter, up 0.4%.
Core is down exactly as we said.
No
inflation
there.
is down
Owners
as we said.
Rent
Get in.
0.4. So the rent sides stay about where they have been for the last few months. No real progress there. The one thing I will say is if you look back to what Chris Waller was saying a couple of weeks ago, he has to look out to 3 digits to see what the real changes are in the CPI, and so we'll look for those as well.
Mike, stay close. Let's get to it. It is the most important number in international finance. And right now, this is the right kind of downside surprise. Equity futures positive.
No surprise. It's no surprise.
On the NASDAQ 100 up by 1 full percentage point. Check out the Russell, and then I'll give you the why. The small caps up by 2.3%.
It's no surprise.
Switch up the board and turn the page and get to the bond market. The 2-year yield absolutely ripping. Yields down by 14 basis points at the front end of the curve, 4.69. We haven't seen 5% at the front end of the curve since the Fed last met on the first day of May. We have backed away and we're backing away again. We're down 13 on 10s to 427. On 30s, we're down 10 to 443.89. Switch at the board and get to foreign exchange. You can guess what the dollar's doing. The euro is stronger against the weaker dollar. We're back through 108, 108.22.
Oh my gosh.
0.75%. Lisa, stocks are up. Yields are lower. The dollar's weaker. That's the right kind of downside surprise.
So now on to
it's not a surprise. Stop saying it's a surprise.
Opening the door to a July rate cut once again, because guess what? We're even closer to our goal.
Oh, and now they're going, we might get a rate cut again. I've been saying for 18 months, backwards and forwards.
It doesn't totally make sense that you see an
totally makes
outperformance
sense.
of, say, tech stocks in addition to the Russell 2000. And there are some people who argue that that rate cuts won't benefit small caps as much as some other sectors. A lot of uncertainties as we carry through.
Oh,
You've always
my
said
gosh.
First reaction isn't the way we're going to end the day. And that certainly could be the case today. However, the right cut of downside surprise definitely making its way to a
It's
pivot
not a
party
surprise.
We'll see if it sticks. This is the first part of a 2-part story. The next part is at 2 p.m. Eastern Time when we get the Fed decision and forecast. 30 minutes after that, get a news conference with Chairman Powell. If you are just joining us,
It's not a surprise. Why do people keep saying it's a surprise? And now we're going, oh, rate cuts might be back on the cards again. What are you talking about? The calculations, the numbers were there. Let me bring it up to everybody right now. Let's have a look. This is really, really important. CPI. Let me go to here. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Core inflation, CPI, whichever way you look at it, everyone is saying it's a surprise. It's come down today. It's not a surprise. And now everybody on the markets are saying, oh, well, maybe there'll be a rate cut again. It's on, it's off, it's on, it's off. I've been saying the same thing for 18 months. Rates will come down in the summer. How many more times? People manipulate the market. When you've studied this for 3 years, 12 hours a day like I have, you see the patterns of human greed and flipping nonsense. Nonsense. FOMC report today. We're going to cover it live. We're not going to get a rate cut today. I'd be very, 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 very surprised. We could get one, but I have said, and I stand by it, we will get a rate cut in the summer. All right? We've got a couple of months to go. We're still in the summer. We're just starting in the summer right now. I don't think it will come today. It could come today, but the point is it's going to come. Let me show you the numbers. And everyone's going, oh my God, what a surprise. It's incredible. I can't believe it. Inflation's coming down. We've known inflation's coming down because the US uses an out-of-date lagging indicator. the UK, Europe, Canada, they use the most up-to-date forward measure of the situation. The US does it in the backward way. I don't know why. They've always done that. Right, let me show you the numbers. No surprise here. If we look at core inflation previous 0.3, forecast 0.3. I have no idea who forecast this stuff. I said it was coming down. It was clear as flipping day. The whole world can see it. We've had a massive drop today in India. Is no one paying attention to India? I pay attention to India. It's very, very important. It's not everything happens in America. It's very important. 0.2 drop, a big drop today on core inflation. What about year on year? It was 3.6. Consensus, 3.6. Who the hell said 3.6? 3.4. It's a massive beat. Why did we know this was going to beat? Because it's beating all around the world. No one listens to what happens in India. India have known their inflation's been coming down for ages.
Sebastian van Winsberg donated €11.99 through a super chat. KBC Group Bell 20 review if it suits.
Thank you very much indeed. I'll come back to you. Canada has seen it. Europe have seen it. India have seen it. But apparently rates are not coming down and the stocks are being manipulated, all the rest of it. What about inflation rate month on month? Look at this. Previous 0.3, forecast 0.1, no, zero, completely zero, no inflation month on month. Fantastic. What about inflation rate year on year? Consensus 3.4, no, wrong again, 3.3. This is an amazing day. All you've got to do is read the numbers, not be influenced by people that are making up stories, making up silly numbers, manipulating the market, pumping it, dumping it, overbuying it, overselling it over and over again. These are the best minds that we have. People in Bloomberg, CNBC telling you that, and Fed Jerome Powell telling you one story when behind the scenes they're doing a very different thing. So what do you make of this? No surprise. It shouldn't have come as a surprise to you. Just so you know, 100%, I am 100% in. I'm also in with margin up to $28,000. No surprise. Should I have bought more? No, because it has to be managed. I can't be greedy. But I'm very, very excited today because my portfolio could hit $100,000 today. And that is going from $5,000 to $92,389. It could hit $100,000 today. And let me tell you why I am making a huge prediction like that. It's not a prediction. I'm saying it's a potential because there are billions of dollars on the sidelines waiting to come in, waiting for the markets to turn. It's too late. They're already turning. What are you waiting for? This is the moment. There are billions of dollars on the sidelines waiting to come in to the market. Today, I announced on a previous video that everyone today gets a 1% match, a 1% pay rise by simply putting your money in Robinhood and holding it. You don't even need to buy any stocks. You just hold it and earn 5.25% interest on your money plus a 1% match just for paying it in. It's mental. And there's billions of dollars waiting to come into the market. So do you do your research and do you do this? This is very, very important. Do you look at the markets around the world? Do you study the indices around the world like I do? New Zealand, Australia, Nikkei, Hang Seng, Germany, the FTSE, the Dow Jones, and so on and so forth. And also look at India. I look at India as well when I'm off and I like to read what they're doing. They're a huge economy. All right, look at all of these things, and we have known for ages that rates are coming down, even though everyone's going, oh, no, they're not. No, they're not. We're going to be waiting another 2 years, and I'm not entering the market, and all the rest of it. Well, rates are coming down in the summer. Inflation is coming down. Markets are booming now. Get ready. This is just the beginning. Very exciting. CPI, I'm very excited. Let's have a quick listening before I end this video. They're going bonkers on Bloomberg. Like these people know what they're talking about.
Ira Jersey of Bloomberg Intelligence joins us now for a little bit on this.
Look at them all excited.
Ira, the most important data point in global finance. Your thoughts on this one?
Yeah, obviously better than some people had feared. It was on the core CPI, it was a low 0.2, so it was actually under 0.2%. And I think that that's something that traders have been able to kind of grasp onto. And like you noted, this is pulling down, all global sovereign bonds at the moment, where bond yields at the moment.
Everyone's going to come out and put their money in the markets.
6 basis points, like you said, France down by 7 basis points, but remember the beta to that is only half of what's going on here in the U.S., where you have 5-year yields off 15 basis points at one point, and that just shows that we're now going to be pricing in for 2 full cuts probably before the end of the year, and then as you get additional data, obviously the market's going to have to shift those expectations pretty dramatically.
So Ira, I have a question for you. So if you just took rebased where inflation is now, and you said 0.2. Every report through the end of the year, you would get year-over-year core PC inflation on a 12-month basis at 2.8 at the end of the year. So we started out at 2.8 in January on that metric. We'd end up at 2.8. So maybe that's not really enough. You need even better reports in order to be able to show progress.
Doom and gloom again.
Yeah, I think part of it.
Let's try and say it's not that good. This is ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. So anyway, there you go. Fantastic day. Click above my head if you want to get Robinhood Gold. You need Robinhood Gold today. It's absolutely fantastic. You too, like me, can get a solid gold credit card worth $2,000. Melt it down, stick it in your Robinhood, earn a 1% match on it, then earn 5%, 5.25% interest payment on it as well. What a great day. Click above my head for all the links, all the free stocks, down below in the description, over here and over here. What a great day. This is the day we said would come. It's coming. I said the interest rate fall is imminent. It's coming in the summer, 100%. Said it for 18 months. One thing I've learned over the last 3 years, everyone likes to manipulate the market in the mainstream media on finance. Bloomberg, CNBC, the Fed, they all do it. They're using out-of-date technology, looking backwards. The rest of the world is looking forward, and the United States, for the first time, is lowering rates behind everybody else. It normally does it first. This time, it's doing it behind. Technology has moved on. The US needs to catch up, and this is a great, great opportunity to be in the markets. Above my head, down here, over here, over here. I'm excited. Told you I was excited this morning. I put it on my X account before I started. Take care of yourselves and each other. Oh, love it. Let's welcome everybody in today. We should have a nice audience today. What have we got? No, not that many people in today. Pretty quiet today. Incredible. Only 58 people in today. Very, very quiet. Let me read the comments. Hello, in the voice of Mrs. Doubtfire. Morning, Stacey. Wax on, wax off. I'm declaring this a troll-free zone. More like whack-a-mole, Stacey. Jefferson sent me a nice email. Thank my kids for their video. That was fantastic of him, and it means a lot. Shows great character. He's a great bloke, yeah. Good morning, Lucas Age. Time for a nice, refreshing cup of tea. Oh, yes. Let's do it. Cup of tea, James. Big day today. Woohoo! Wait for the microphone to wake up. And it's lit. All right. Cheers, James. Absolutely awesome. Let me turn that back out again. Right. Hi, Stacey. Hi, James. I want a pay rise. Yes. Get Robinhood Gold. Let me give everyone the link. Here it is. You need it now. So here is Robinhood Gold. If you sign up in the US for Robinhood Gold, there it is. Right. Let me pin that to the top. If you are in the US, use my link you become a gold customer, you're going to get such a great deal. The list goes on, and from today, you're earning 1% on all the money you put in. So basically, every single person gets a 1% pay rise. Everybody. Fantastic. But I hear some of you saying, yes, but I'm not in the US. I'm in the UK. You don't miss out. Here is, if you don't want the Robinhood Gold Card, and I don't know why you wouldn't, there is the normal USA free stocks. What about UK? Here is the UK. If you are in the UK, you get this as well. So you get free stocks in the UK as well. Let me give it to my Rumble audience, because they're going, well, can we have some of this? Yes, you can. Here is the UK for you. Let me give you the USA as well. This is very exciting, right? There's the USA. And if you want to go for the gold account, which of course you should, because you get all these things I've been talking about today, including a 1% pay rise, there is gold. Right. Well, really, you get 0.5% per year as it's paid out over 2 years. No, you get 1% a year. Just because it's paid out over 2 years, you're still getting the 1% over the year. You're not getting, that's not a good way to calculate it at all. You're going to earn 1%. They're just taking 2 years to pay it. That's all. It's still 1% pay rise. Don't knock it. It's free money. Look, all those pennies I've been adding up have now come up to 92,342. No options, no shorting stock. Take care of the pennies. The pounds take care of themselves. If you're the sort of person who doesn't think 1% free money, 5% interest payments on your money, and all these benefits and perks, and soon a gold credit card apparently is going to give you a 5% cash back. If you think none of these things are good, then you shouldn't be investing, really. It all adds up. It all adds up. Anyway. Good morning, everyone. What hours is the CPI? We've just covered it. Good morning, Mike. I'm ready for the pay rise. How's the music channel going? Let's have a look, Mike. Let's have a look. Switch account. What a great day today. What a great day. Let's have a look. We are now at 3,600, nearly 3,700. Nearly 3,700. Yes. There we go. Nearly 3,700. We're nearly there. And what's wonderful is, as I say, we're getting more viewers. You see this little upswing here? We're not hitting the bottom all the time. Things are getting watched regularly. My He Ain't Heavy in the end did 167 views so far, which for my channel is really, really good. I'm really, really happy. And what's really nice is people watched it on average for 2 minutes and 22, which is really, really good. Normally people don't watch for very long. Which is just the way it works on YouTube. Anyway, that's really good. Thank you so much for asking. We're going to be 4,000 before you know it. Anyway, what a great day. What a great day. Robinhood is buying back 1 billion of stock. That's also another big story as well, indeed. Let's have a look at Robinhood stock today. Let me have a look. This is so exciting, isn't it? Robinhood. Oh, no surprise. Robinhood there. Let's have a look. Robinhood stock is up today at 3.22. No surprise. A lot of money has been waiting. There's billions of dollars on the sidelines to come into the main markets. And we now have this 1% match. You imagine if you're a millionaire and you bring in your money to Robinhood. First of all, you're going to get the 1% back for free. Then you're going to earn 5.25% just for holding the cash. That gives you 6.25%. I mean, that's not a bad deal. That's not a bad deal, is it? But what I would be doing is just using it to buy the S&P and holding it. Oh, we're going again. Here we go. Look at this. This is just the beginning. Just the beginning today. What a day this is going to be. We're now at 92. We could be at $100,000 today. This could be the biggest rally of all year. 92,490. Unbelievable. And I haven't even started paying my margin off yet. This is really, really exciting. I can't get Robinhood Gold in the UK. James, but you can get the UK free stocks, and Robinhood Gold will be coming to the UK. All right, it's coming to the UK. So take advantage. There's my UK free stocks. Take advantage of that. Wow, 1 penny for 24 months. Not 1%. Not 1 penny, Fight Channel. 1%. Sell and buy back the dip, Martin. No, not going to sell anything. I don't need to sell anything. I'm not trading the S&P. I'm holding it. This could run and run and run now. I've got a price target on the S&P of $624 within 12 months. We're not even 500 yet. So there's a huge potential. I don't want to sell and pay capital gains tax and try to find a re-entry point. What would be the sense of that? There's no point. Let's hold. Let's earn the dividends. Let's just not pay any tax and just stay exactly where we are. Absolutely right. Sell and buy back the dip. No, I'm not doing that. Right then. KBC Group, Bell 20. Review if it suits. Let me have a look. Let me add it to the list. That goes second, just under Tim Rogers. Let me just put that there. Right. KBC Review. Bell 20. What does Bell 20 mean? Is that the name of the business? I'll find out shortly. Right. I've written that down. Thank you very much indeed. I've just got through that one. Ed Nevius. Good morning. Thanks, Ed. Amazing, Martin. Congratulations. What a great day. Hi, Mike. Hi, Wadey. Hello, Mike. Good morning, Martin and Lucas Age. What about Nicola? I have to focus on the members, William. I'm sorry. You know that. I'm sorry. If you were a member, I would focus on you, but I have to focus on my members. I'll come back to you if I can. Hello, William. Amazing news. Yes. Just joined. Beat to be fit. Good morning to you. Just joined. Morning all. What is so exciting? What is so exciting? What do you mean? $5,000 to $92,497. We've got the rates exactly as I said. I'm probably the only person who said rates were coming down in the summer. Everybody said no. Bell 20 is the index. Bell 20, KBC Group Bell 20 is the index. I might not be able to find it, but I will do my best. You're in my car at work, Sebastian. Hello, how you doing? Cheers, Martin. You're welcome. Robinhood not available. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I have Robinhood in the UK. Yes, it is. I have Robinhood in the UK. Here is my UK Robinhood referral. You will get free shares today if you set this up. And Robinhood Gold is coming to the UK, but Robinhood is in the UK. There it is. There is the link. It is in the UK. I have a Robinhood UK account. GameStop finished share offering. Oh, GameStop is rubbish. Don't touch GameStop. Absolute load of rubbish. You can make money today with good, real, solid, reliable investing. Or you could buy a complete load of rubbish like that. Don't buy it. It's not financial advice. Do what you like. But you can make so much money doing the right thing. Why would you want to mess around with rubbish? Anyway, be careful. Good morning, Martin and family. Yes, it's a beat. Yes, it is. I've got it. UK Robinhood access to more meme coins. When will they be available in the US? I don't know when they'll be available. I'm sure they're adding them all the time. Robinhood are quite responsible, though. They don't want to add every Tom, Dick, and Harry because we don't want rubbish on the brokerage. Good morning, Jenny. Good morning. That's great for the music channel, Martin. My favorite channel. Thank you so much, Mike. Positive vibes. What happens when they say no rate cuts today? There's going to be no rate cuts today. Nobody expect there to be a rate cut today. Well, I don't expect there to be a rate cut today. I expect the rate cut to come in the summer, the next month, or in August. That's it, 100%. I've said it now for 18 months. We don't need a rate cut today. We don't need a rate cut. We know it's coming. And I'm not bothered. It's over the next couple of months. I don't care. I want to be invested. I want to be in the market before it gets cut. I was joking, Wadey. What was the joke? I missed what you said earlier. Good afternoon, all. The TSP fund took a few % drop Monday, which is telling. I read an article that stated that it's possible at some point Nvidia could end up being 15% of the S&P. No. Absolutely not. 100%. There is no way they would make it 15% of the S&P. No. It goes against all their policies, all their rules. No. Absolutely. I don't know who's right in that. That would never, ever happen. Bell 20 is the index. Thank you so much indeed. Everything they do, this rate meetings, we are at risk of a pullback. There's another 8%, I've said it over and over and over and over and over again, left in the S&P this year. I see the S&P, VU at least anyway, let me share with you on the screen, VU, going to $625. This is where we are right now, 497. I see a $624 within 12 months of the S&P. And that's a conservative number. All right? That's my calculations. That's what I think. So I am certainly not trying to get a pullback. I just keep buying. I don't care. It doesn't matter. I'm already in anyway. I'm only buying on macro conditions, not buying on false pumps and false dumps. I'm buying on external macro conditions which scare the market. That's when I'm buying. Fed Reserve declared war on recession. What about trading the S? Oh, I see. You want me to? You were joking, right? Yeah, there's no way I'm selling it. Absolutely no. I don't need to sell it. That's the point. You don't need to. If you're an investor, you just don't need to sell. You're just buying and holding and never selling, earning those $400 a quarter now on dividends, and that's going to go up. I want to get to $1,000 a month dividends. That is my aim, and I will achieve that within 6 years. You're welcome, John. What a great day today. Can you believe it? Should we have a look? 5,000 to 92,526. Get in. I'm loving it. Right, I can't wait for the FOMC report to come out. That's going to be great. Now, don't expect a rate cut. Don't need one. Not planning for one. Not investing for one. That's not what it's all about. All right. Now then, if you've just tuned in and you're a little late, we're very excited because everything we've said over 18 months is happening on time, exactly as we said. And I am very, 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 very excited about it. Of course, it's just perfect. But if you've just tuned in today, and you've missed this great news, let me share with everybody. If you are in the UK or you're in the US, it doesn't matter. Everyone today gets a pay rise. Here it is. If you are in the UK, click my link, get Robinhood, get some free stocks. Okay? If you are in the USA, click on the link and get some free stocks. However, if you want to get a really good deal, which is what I have got, Robinhood Gold, US only, click on this link. Here it comes. get your gold account. It costs you $5 a month, or you can do it over a 12 months and save yourself 2 months payments, which is better to do it that way. What we've got today, in addition to everything else, the 5% match, the 3%, the interest payments, the 3% IRA, the cashback, the yada yada yada. As of today, we have got a 1% deposit, even if you've got margin on all of your money, unlimited forever. Right? Brilliant. So what happens is this: 1% deposit, right, in your brokerage account, not your IRA. Your regular account. So you just got a 1% pay rise. People are saying to me, who cares about 1%? I care about 1%. I'll take it all day long, because I will double that in 7 years. Because if I just own the S&P, earn 10%, it doubles every 7 years. I will take it. Absolutely right. I have just started today, pending. As you can see, if I scroll down here, you can see that I added on June the 10th, $623. That was the money from my Coinbase, my USD that was earning 5%. It's now in Robinhood with a 1% boost, plus it's reducing my margin, which is 6.25%. So I'm making like 7% benefit over earning 5% on Coinbase. So I'm 2% net positive, right? That's why I've done it, okay? But if I now look how they pay me, what they do is they're not just going to go, there is 1% and now draw your money out. Robinhood would go bankrupt. It wouldn't work. What they do is they pay your 1% that you have earned over the next 2 years. But every day, every week, every month you put money in, your monthly payment is going to go up and up and up and up and up. And you don't even have to buy stocks. You just got to hold the money in your account, uninvested cash if you like, and you can earn 5.25% on the cash. So now you're getting 6.25% for doing absolutely nothing. All right. So how they're going to pay me is like this. At the moment, with just my $600 that I have brought in from my Coinbase USD account, right? I'm going to be earning this month 19 cents because it was half the month. Then 29, 28, 28. I'm going to earn that all the time. What's going to happen over the next 2 years? As long as I keep the money in Robinhood, and that's fine. I will always do that. So now all I've got to do is keep earning money. Remember, wealth is projected from your income. Don't use the stock market to provide you with an income. Have a business, to earn an income and invest the income you make. That's how you get rich. People think, I don't need to earn any money. I could just make money for doing nothing. It doesn't work that way, right? Keep working, keep earning money, keep investing. When I get paid on my next payday, just like everybody else, I get paid, you get paid. On my payday in 9 days' time, I'll have another couple of $1,000 that I can invest in the stock market. I get my YouTube payments and all my merchandise and whatever I've earned this month, all right? I'll have about $2,000. I will put the $2,000 in, and you will see the next day that 29, 29, 20, 28, 28, 28, that will go up. And it will probably go up to about 70 cents every single month for the next 2 years. And then it'll go to $1, then it'll go to $2 and $5, and it'll keep going up. Now, not only is it going to give me the 1% payment spread out over 2 years, just to stop you taking it back out again. You can't blame Robinhood for doing that. Not only is it going to do that, it's going to reduce my margin, because I want to be in the market, and obviously I want to be in the market because I knew rates were coming down, and rates are coming down. But if you're not in the market and you just want to hold your cash, you're going to earn 5.25% on top of the 1%. So if you think that doesn't sound great, well, then you're watching the wrong channel. You need to go and watch the Cartoon Network, right? But if you think that sounds good, click on my gold link here and become a gold member on Robinhood. Now, if you click on that link, I only need 2 more people to click on it, and I will get a solid gold credit card. And if you can prove to me via sending images into Discord that you were one of those people that clicked on my link. All right. When I get my $2,000 credit card, which I'm then going to melt down, it's a solid gold credit card. I'm going to melt it down, get the $2,000, put it in my portfolio, earn 1%, save 6% on margin. I'm going to gift cash prizes to those of you that help me. So not only are you going to get all these benefits and you can get a solid gold credit card and you can save money and get payments and yada, 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 I'm going to share what I get with you because that's what I do. I only need 2 more people to click on my solid gold credit card link. Become a gold member. You need to sign up for Robinhood and you need to go gold. And if you only have like $50, it's not gold plated. It's not gold plated. It's solid gold and it's worth about $2,000. In fact, it's worth more than that now because the price of gold is going up and it's going to go up another 20% over the next 12 months. So it's going to go up. There is a gold plated one and there's also a solid gold one as well. There is a solid gold credit card. And I'll be melting it down. And also, once all the gold cards are gone, because they are limited, Robinhood is going to send out cash instead. Well, that's even easier. Just give me the cash. It'll be easier anyway. I don't really want the gold card. I'm only going to melt it down anyway. So anyway, everyone should go and do that. Now, if you've only got $50, $100 in Robinhood and you don't use the margin, you don't use uninvested cash, you don't use all the facilities, the cashback card, blah, 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 or even just one of those things, or, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. But if you do use some of those facilities, just some of them, it's worth it. For me, it's worth it 100 times over. So I absolutely love it. So anyway, there's my link in the chat. Very, very exciting day. The market is so detached from the reality that the Russian-Cuban news hasn't really affected it. On the edge of World War III and we hit all-time highs. Smoky Fats, we are not on the edge of World War III. I've explained this over and over and over again till I'm blue in the face. If anyone wants a full explanation of why I don't think we're going to have World War III, if I get 3 or 4 people in the comments ask me, I will explain why. But if no one else mentions it, I won't mention it again. I think everyone is taking out loans more so than anything to pay for workers like me looking into a loan. Christopher Gallan, that doesn't make, what does that mean? I don't understand that. Gold plated, you are incorrect. What's getting weird? I don't know what you're saying. So you are paid to talk about, no, not paid to talk about Robinhood at all. You're talking about it now and you can actually make money as well. Why are you saying such stupid things? I'm not paid by anyone to talk about anything. If you mention Robinhood today, you're talking about it. And if you get a match, you're earning money. If you send out a referral, you're earning money. We're all earning money. Everyone's earning money. What are you on about? This is my show, and I'm telling people about a great thing that I know about. And everyone benefits from it. I'm not paid by Robinhood. It's a referral. I'm not paid by anyone. Someone the other day said to me, one of the trolls from Omar's clan, he came on and he said, so why don't you do all, if you want to help people, why don't you do this for free? What? Do you work for free? You want me to work for you, provide you with a 12-hour live service for free. It is free. You're watching for free. You're not paying me to watch. Yes, I am. You're earning YouTube ads. Well, you're not paying for them, are you? You're just sitting watching. And if you get YouTube Premium, you don't even see any ads. So you could watch me for free all you like. But you think I should not get paid to do my job? Well, you say you're not doing it for the money. I'm not. I don't get excited. I'm not motivated by money at all. I'm excited to share news and help people and talk to people, entertain. I love entertaining and going live and having a great time. I don't get out of bed to make money. I couldn't care less. I'm interested and I'm motivated and I'm excited by people. That's what excites me. Anyway, we're waiting for the bell. 20 minutes to go. If you take care of people, the money takes care of itself. That's how it works. 100% of the time. That's how it works. And that's how I've always lived my life. I couldn't care less about, I'm not motivated by the money. Never have been. But if you think I'm going to work for free, then I'm sorry about that. But no, I do get paid. I have bills. This costs money. These lights don't come on for free. I've got to eat. Anyway, World War III closed. I'd like to hear why. I think we're on the brink of crazy Russia moved ships into Cuba with... Right, okay. I'm down a lot, by the way. There's no reason to be down. We've been in a bull market now for 18 months. The S&P's had record growth. If you buy great businesses and not rubbish stocks and follow people on YouTube telling you to buy rubbish GameStop and FFIE and stuff like that, if you just buy great businesses, hold. I started with $5,000. I've never shorted a stock, never done options, and I've got 92,000, and I lost 30,000 just by doing it wrong at the beginning. So I learned. But the point is, I learn from my lesson. I continue to learn. I'm always learning. I made so many mistakes, so many, but I'm so glad I did. Because if I'd started buying rubbish and winning, I would have thought I was the greatest trader in the world and messed it all up. So I'm glad I lost, because if you lose, you learn. It's people that gamble who win, who think they can do it again, and then they're in trouble. Anyway, don't spend time defending. No need to. Oh, yeah, I know, Sebastian, but we like to answer all the questions, right? France has deployed nuclear bombs on jets to the east. Smoky facts, what are you talking about? I don't. I do algo investing. That's a very bad thing to do. I would never do that. Never, ever do algo investing. The systems were set up to make money for the system. Why would you want to do that? Just buy a great business, read a balance sheet, buy a business, study the news, and hold the business you own. Let the business go to work every day for you to earn money. The computer buys it for me. Well, that's the worst thing in the world to do. It was set up to create trades for the brokerage that you're buying through. That's how those systems work. I've got a lot of people keep telling me, keep sharing with me, would you sign up with my Forex trading team? We've got this automated algo trading. And I go, what are you doing? You lose money doing that. It's lazy. It's lazy. It's the wrong way to invest. Absolutely ridiculous. Look at General Chit Chat. I signed up. Rallo 1. Rallo 1. Let's have a look. Rallo 1. Sebastian. Hang on a minute. Rallo 1. General Chit Chat. I've got a message from Sebastian. Thank you. The KB. Thank you very much. I've got that now. General Chit Chat. General Chit Chat. Rallo 1. You're on the wait list. I signed up for Martyn's gold card. Yay! Rallo 1. Okay. Fantastic. Now then. We could be right on the edge now, and I will share with you the money I get once I get it. Rallo 1. Rallo 1 is in. So, this is fantastic. We are very, very close now. Now, once I get my solid gold credit card, all the cash, I will share, I will gift you guys some prizes for helping me. You're going to get money. You're going to save money. You're going to get the 1% match. You're going to get the 3% match. You're going to get the 5.25% uninvested cash. You're going to get the cash back on all the purchases. You're going to get that. but by helping me to help you, I'm going to give you a bit of what I get as well. How cool is that? So Rallo 1 is in. Fantastic. So if you are in the United States and you want to get Robinhood Gold with what I've shared with you today, here is the link. I'll give it to you again. Fantastic. Now, remember, just because you've done it, I will, if you cancel it, it won't count. I think you've got to keep it for a few months or whatever. I get an email from Robinhood daily with telling me how many more, a couple have dropped off because they cancelled it. So I will keep you updated with the progress of that, and I will share it with you. I'm so excited. This is amazing. Rallo 1, congratulations. Good luck. I can't wait for you to get your credit card and all the rest of it. I built my own software, so you're wrong. You built your own software, algo trading. Well, you just said to me, you're down. So how am I wrong? Christopher Gallant, you have just said that I'm down a lot, by the way. But you're saying that I'm wrong, saying that you shouldn't do that. So I think it's the wrong way to invest. I don't think it's investing at all. It's using AI and technology. And I know I've got my own platform. I actually own my own like YouTube. I've got Livestreamer Cafe. I own that. So I know how to create software and technology. I've got my own platform. I can stream to my own platform. So I know about technology and AI and all the rest of it, right? However, I wouldn't use algos to trade my money. I just simply study, buy great businesses and own them. Very, very simple strategy. Very, very simple strategy. So, you know, the fact is you're down, and I started with $5,000, and I'm probably, there's a good chance I could get to $100,000 today live on the show. All of Europe is ready to draft. Smoky Fats. Computer buys it for me. Look at General Chit Chat. Great stuff. How do you identify as an undervalued stock? As an undervalued stock, well, that's easy. That's easy. What I do is I use this software here. If you use my software, you can get it for free, or if you have the premium, if you are a member, you can get the premium plan, which basically makes my membership for free. There is the link. This is what I use. If I want to understand the value of a stock, I use this software here. I've just given you the link for it in the chat. If you are a member of my channel, you can get a lifetime discount, right? Let's say I want to look at Apple, right? I'll type this in now. This is the most advanced algorithmic software there is. I love this, right? I can see the intrinsic value, and I know what the intrinsic value is. I can scroll down and I can ask AI to run different back tests for me and different scenarios so I can check. I can see what the revenue is, the operating income, the net income, the balance sheet. I can study the debt position. I know how much money they hold, how much cash they earn, how much it affects them on interest rates, what their margins are compared to other companies. I can scroll down and I can see the profitability score, a percentage. I can see the solvency score as a percentage. I can see what Wall Street think they're going to do this year as a percentage. I can look at insider trading, who's buying, who's selling. I can see all of this. I can scroll down. I can see what the short interest is. I can then look at the latest news around the stock, and which provides me with sentiment. This is how I value a stock, how I value a business. And I own the business, and I keep the business, and I never sell the business, because the business is working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, earning me, the owner, money. That's how I do it. So if you want my Alpha Spread software, there it is. Very, very simple. Investing money is easy. Making money is easy. The hard part is to keep it. Right? Anyway, today we're going to learn a lot more. Very important day today. We're going to cover the FOMC report live. These events are critical. I always cover them. I always cover the earnings. BMR moving. Thank you, Ed. Christopher, please don't come into Martyn's show to show negative comments. Keep it positive. Thank you, Mike. Was on watch since 7:30. Okay. Ed, could you remind me, and I'll do BMR, one of your stocks in a moment then. Are you an affiliate of Robinhood? No. No, I'm not. I am not an affiliate of Robinhood. Absolutely, I am not I should be, but I'm not. No, I'm not an affiliate at all. I've never received a payment from Robinhood. I'm not an affiliate of Robinhood. Should be, shouldn't I? But no, I'm not. I'll tell you if I was. OBS. No, don't use OBS. It's rubbish. I use Ecamm Live. Can you look at IMMR? You're missing out on a good investment. IMMR. Let me see if I've already researched it. I have to focus on the members. I'm getting a lot of questions here. We might have to go members only in a moment if there are too many. Martyn Lucas, IMMR. Let's have a look. Let's see if I've already researched it. No, I haven't researched that one. So I don't know anything about that one. I've just looked. If you were a member, I could do a full review, cover the earnings, cover the news, make videos for it, and we rank number 1 on most of the stocks we cover. Software person doesn't know how to spell software. Tim, Martyn individuals will say they are losing money. They are not patient and they do not invest in high. I know it's so easy at the moment. We've had a bull market now for 18 months. If anyone is saying to me today they are still losing money, then you must be buying a load of pants, right? We've had 18 months of a bull market. If you're buying rubbish like GameStop, a rubbish business, you're losing money. If you are buying FFIE, Faraday Future, rubbish, you are losing money. It's going to zero. It's a rubbish business. Then it's your own fault. Because for 18 months, we've been sitting here, 3 years, in fact, we've been sitting here discussing and talking about great companies, great businesses, as well as the rubbish ones. And there's no reason for anyone to have lost any money whatsoever. Over the long term, if you've traded and bought in at the wrong time and got out and then you chase, then that's your own fault. But look, I started with $5,000. I'm at 92.5. That's my real money. I mean, what part of that doesn't look good? I don't know. Anyway, so you're right. They are not patient and do not invest in high-quality companies for the long term. Between 3 to 5 years, they receive dividends compound. I know. Can you imagine, Tim? I should be at 100,000. It might happen today, but it will happen in the next 2 months. Can you imagine, right, Tim, get to 100 grand, and now I'm earning 10% on the 100 grand. So next year will be 110 without me putting any money in. And then it will be a 10% of 110 the next year. That's what compound interest is. But I'm not going to be putting nothing in. I'm going to be working harder and harder and harder, earning more money, saving more money, getting the 1% matches, getting the 3% matches, and just keep on doing it, never selling, owning great businesses for the long period. How do I get a solid gold card? This is how you get it. Rallo1 has just done it. So only maybe one more person can do this now. Once I get 10, it's all over. There is the gold card. Robinhood today have just released a new perk which makes the gold account even better. You're getting a 1% match on every single penny you put in. Forever unlimited. It is fantastic. The gold card, the gold account pays for itself if you use just some of these facilities. If you just put $50 in Robinhood and don't do anything, there's absolutely no point doing it. But if you are an investor and you are in the United States, click on my gold card link and you will get and sign up for Robinhood, get gold. Once you are gold, I will be I will get an email. Doesn't tell me who's done it. So if you send a picture into Discord, like Rallo1 did a minute ago, I am going to share the spoils, what I get, with you later on. General chit chat. Look, Rallo1 did this earlier. Look, he proved to me that he did it. So not only is he's getting all the perks and the benefits for doing it, you know, it's his benefit, not me, but because he's helped me, when I get, and if I get my gold credit card, I will share what I get with the people that help me. But you have to prove you help me. So, and then you can share the link to 10 people and you can get a solid gold credit card. That's how you get a solid gold credit card. Now, when I get it, I'm just going to melt it down. And if they run out of the cards, which they say they might, they're going to send the cash instead. So I don't care which way around it goes. It doesn't bother me. I don't want the card. I just want the money. I don't need a solid gold credit card, do I? What are the 5 businesses? Kevin, what are the 5 businesses? What do you mean? I own 500 businesses. What do you mean 5? I bet $1 the Fed rate comes down a quarter today. John M. It could come down today, but I don't expect it to come down today. I have said 100% the rates are coming down by the summer of 2024. I've been saying for 18 months, and I'm standing by that. I've never changed. I'm standing by it. It might come down today. I'm not planning on it. I don't expect it, but it will come down this summer. 100%. Everyone, have you ever done a review on Hershey or Sunco? Todd Bailey, no, I've never done a review. Tomorrow is review day. I'm doing free reviews tomorrow and the paid reviews tomorrow. It's a members day tomorrow, all day, reviews day. It'll be members only. I'll probably be in members only mode to celebrate our success on the channel, and I'll get less viewers, less people watching. It doesn't matter. I want to give back to the members tomorrow. It's a members day tomorrow. Zed Hink. Zed Hink has done it. Oh, Zed Hink. You're on the wait list. Zed Hink. Did you do it with my referral? Did you do it with my referral? Now, that might be it. Now, I don't know. There needs to be confirmation that they've kept their gold. I think you've got to keep it for 3 months before I know. But that could be it. That could be it. If you've not yet done it, click on here. Get yourself, that's 2 people today, get yourself Robinhood Gold. You will now get 1% back on all of your money. Every penny you put in plus 3% on your IRA. It's just got even better today, and you don't want to miss out. Now you can share that link out and you can get a solid gold credit card if you get 10 people to sign up. So I will know if I've got it. They'll email me. Let me just check my email now. Normally, you have to make sure that you do it. Robinhood. No, I haven't got confirmation yet. It's probably got to wait. Anyway, here we go. Let's get ready. Let's get ready to ring the bell. What a day. What a day. What a day. What a day. Are you in the markets? There are billions of dollars on the sidelines waiting to buy in, waiting for the good news. God knows why they want to wait. I'm already in and I'm already making money. But anyway, that's what some people do. So when will you pull out? I won't. I'm not going to sell my stocks. Ever. Well, here's the thing. All day companies aren't ready to huge going down. That's what I've noticed in the last 2 weeks. I've learned you can only swing trade. I don't trade at all. I just hold my stocks. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. The bell has gone, $20. You can sponsor the bell. Put your name right here on the Sensei bell. $20, you can sponsor the bell, your business or YouTube channel, whatever you like. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Started with $5,000. We are now at $92,471. Very, very exciting. Here comes the trim off. Let me read the comments. You will reach 100,000 within a month, says Tim Rogers. Done. Zed Hink is in. Bell, no other way. No other way. Let's lose some money. Hey, Mike, no other way. Zed Hink, what do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean, no other way? Here we go. And the my portfolio is up today. Very, very nice indeed. I'm beating the market by over 0.5%. Virgin Galactic is down today. Be careful, it's going to 50 cents. Palantir, the trade was the other day. The trade has now gone. You missed that trade. We gave you the trade. We showed you how to make 17% in one day on Virgin Galactic. It's now gone. Palantir is up, pulling back. Gold is up. Remember I told you 20% this year on gold. So that gold credit card's going to be worth a lot more than $2,000. The S&P is up and staying up. The Amazon is going down, but it's coming back again now. Apple is firing up over $200. I have a price target of Apple at $225 within 12 months. Next Era Energy, it's too expensive, but it has a little bit of room in it, but not much, only because people will overbuy it. Next Era Energy up. Enphase Energy, this is the stock that I said could double and triple. I bought it at $70, remember? I told you it's already doubled. It's going to triple. There you go. Best balance sheet of any stock on the stock market. Coca-Cola, solid. J&J going down. Why? It's one of the best companies in the world. It's going down because it's a defensive stock and people want growth today. So trimming off, but it won't go down below 135. It's worth $200. Chevron up today. Tesla is up, but not making any money to own Tesla. Not for at least another year and a half, 2 years. It's only worth $110, no matter what anyone tells you. Rivian going up today. McDonald's up, but pulling back. Defensives are going down. Makes sense. Google up today, big. Microsoft up today, big. Nvidia up today, big. Exactly as we said. It sold off when it split. People took profits. They trimmed their positions, and then it's running again. Why is it running? Not because of the hype. There is hype, but what's important is the next 2 quarters for Nvidia are massively up from where we are today. So they're still making more money on the print. Walmart going down. Tilray up. Great news coming for all of these stocks before the election. They're all undervalued at the moment. Robinhood going to do well. Billions of dollars waiting to come in, and a lot of it will go into Robinhood. IonQ, Rocket Lab, up, too expensive. Plug Power, over $3, too expensive at least for another quarter. Rumble is up today. Funware is up. Asti is up. We've now added it to our list. It was requested yesterday. It's now added. FFIE, rubbish, going to 0. Bitcoin up today. XRP is up. It's just following the trend today. And GameStop, rubbish, going to 0. There we go. I got your link. No other way. I would know how to do it. Fantastic. Zed Hink. BMR, let's go, let's go. I signed up for the card with your link, but it didn't sign him up. I signed up for the card with your link, but it didn't sign him up for Robinhood. For Matt. You used the link. You used my link. You need to go gold. You've got to use my link to get Robinhood, and then you've got to go gold. Right? Until you've gone gold, it won't work. You have to sign up as a gold customer. If you just want the free stocks and you don't want gold, just use this. Right? Just use that one. If you're in the UK, because I've got a UK Robinhood account as well, just use this one. All right? Okay. I'm holding space long, only a few dollars. Good luck to you. Ed, what's the exit? Run a trailing stop. Next crypto pump, I'll be up 300%. Good luck to you. I hope you will. No guarantee on that. See, I would rather to own businesses where I'm 100% likely to make returns that I'm happy with to achieve my $1 million goal than to gamble and hope for the best. I would rather that. Anyway, let's have a look at the position where we are. There was hardly any trimming at all. Look at that. There was hardly any trimming at all. Billions of dollars waiting on the sidelines, waiting to come in today. And we could be at 100 grand today. I don't think so. I don't expect so, but we could. And I don't expect a rate cut, but we could. We will get a rate cut though this summer. That's what I'm planning on. We've got a poll running here about rate cuts. So, are you ready? Everybody wants to take part in this. This is where we learn about sentiment. Rate cuts poll. There it is. There's the rate cuts poll. Go and vote on my X account. This is where I post my trades, my information before I make it. Those links for Robinhood are also on there as well. Please vote in poll. Will rates come down? Down, hold is 72%. I think you are right at 72%. Let me give it to all of my Rumble viewers. Now, Rumble, I've got you on the screen. 19 of you watching me on Rumble. The same thing applies to you on Rumble, folks. If you can send me a DM of... if you use my Robinhood Gold link, I will share the spoils with you as well. So everyone watching me today on Rumble, if you use my Gold card link and get Robinhood Gold, not only can you get a Robinhood Gold card, when I get mine, I get $2,000. I'm going to either melt it down or get the cash from Robinhood, whichever way round. I'm going to share with the 10 people that did my referral. Okay, and you can prove it to me by sharing it in. Okay, so you want to click on that link and let me know you've done it. All right. Today we've got this amazing, amazing deal, 1% match on all of your money, and if that's not a reason to do it, plus everything else, then I don't know what is. Anyway, there we go. We're looking great today. We're holding up. Let me read some of these comments. Rocket Lab having a nice run. Let's have a look for one of our members. Now, tomorrow is Members Day. We're going to be members only. In fact, sod it. I'll be members. Yes, in fact, I will. I'm making this statement now. Tomorrow, there will be no public opening bell tomorrow. None. Tomorrow's opening bell will be members only. Members only stream. You won't even see the stream tomorrow if you are not a member, because I want to give back to my members. Tomorrow, I'm going to do free reviews for members. I'm going to do the paid reviews that are already in tomorrow, and it will be a members only stream. There will be no live stream available to non-members tomorrow. You won't even see it. You'll wonder, where's the show? You won't see it because it will be members only tomorrow, and I'm giving all members as many members I can, first come, first serve, free reviews after I've done the paid ones tomorrow. Okay? Is that fair? Can't get better than that, can you? All right. So I'm going to work for free tomorrow. It's going to be a very quiet show because only members will be able to find it. Anyway, Rocket Lab is up. Let me go back to the position. Let me read all the comments. Took profits from space yesterday. Sid, congratulations. We gave you a 17% trade on Virgin Galactic yesterday. Sensei was absolutely spot on, as he is 90% of the time on his trades. 70% trade. Congratulations if you took it. Very, very wise, as the stock is going to go sideways now for a long time. Hey, Martin, just going to say one thing. IBRX signing Blue Cross insurance coverage for Activa. 1 or 2 quarters time. Going to be green. I can't wait. Chris, send it in via Discord. I will make a new story on it as we rank number 1 in the world for the stock. We might as well put out that good news. I've already gained 2% on my one share of VOO. Woohoo! $10 in just 2 weeks. Easy. Absolutely. And remember, Seth, if you are gold on Robinhood now, they will give you 1% just by putting the money in your cash. You don't even need to buy any stocks right now. You just hold the money, earning 5.25% in cash. Here's my gold link. If you've not got Robinhood Gold yet, we should be right at the moment at where I get my gold card. And if I do, I will share the value. I will give cash prizes away to those of you who have helped me. All right. This next 2 months in Rocket Labs will be massive, says the Hustle Brothers. What tells you that? Share me the information. I'll report on it. I'm up 8% on Rocket Lab. Fantastic. Hi, Martin. Ladies and gents, which is the best way to invest in the S&P in the UK? Malk, I know. I am really frustrated about it as well because I have a Robinhood UK account and I can't get the S&P yet. I'm trying to find out what the best way is, but I've spoken to Robinhood and they have told me the S&P 500 VOO is coming soon to Robinhood UK. So just stand by. What I would suggest you do right now is while you're waiting, and what I would be doing if I had any money in the UK, but I don't. I've only got the free shares, so I've been using it on Apple. What I would, because Apple was down when I did it, it's gone up now. But what I would be buying while I'm waiting for the S&P is Johnson & Johnson, because Johnson & Johnson gives you one of the best dividends. Dividend king, always increases, always pays out, and it's undervalued. That's as close to the S&P you can get right now. So if you're in the UK and you're going, bloody hell, what do? I would buy J&J at the moment and hold it for the dividends and wait. And when the S&P comes out, you just sell it and put it straight into the S&P. That's what I would do. Look at this. Today, we could hit $100,000 on the show. We probably won't. I would say it's an 80% chance we won't, but we could. And we're not going to get a rate cut, but we will get a very dovish FOMC report. And of course, we are going to cover it live. I'm so green today, I might as well be a leprechaun. I'm loving it. Oh, look at this. It's a bull market on steroids right now. I'm at 1.44%. Now, let me explain what's going on here. The S&P today is up 1%. The S&P, and that's all I'm in, is up 1%. So how am I up 1.25%? Because I've got $28,000 of margin. There's billions of dollars about to come into the market. There's an 8% rally this year on the S&P. I'm expecting within 12 months $620 VOO, and we're just about 500. So that's 20% over the next 12 months. This year, 8%. 20% over the next 12 months. 620 odd percent, thereabouts. So 1% is up today, but my portfolio is up 1.45 because I'm in margin with the S&P. Why am I in margin because the S&P? Not because it's any magical reason. It's because of the manipulation of the markets. When we went to war, or we didn't go to war, when Iran invaded Israel, and Donald Trump said that America would come to an end in 48 hours, complete rubbish, but it made all the markets sell off. When Donald Trump lost his court case, he made lots of statements, the market went down. Those two occasions I went in with, I was already all in, all of my money was in, but then I used margin because there was macro conditions which was saying that the market was oversold for no reason whatsoever, other than Donald Trump said the world's going to come to an end, which was complete ridiculous. That never happened. And also, of course, the court case also dropped the market, none of which had anything to do with the businesses, just macro external conditions that drove the narrative. Everyone going, oh, the markets are crashing, it's awful. No, it wasn't. It was an opportunity for Wall Street to dump so they could buy back and all retail investors get screwed. All you had to do was buy and hold, which is exactly what I did. Now, if I wanted to, right now, I could clear my margin. If I sold $28,000 worth of stock today, my balance would still be $92,000. It wouldn't change. I would still have $92,000 and $700, but I'd have no margin at all, zero. There's no point in doing that. Now, you might go, well, what if it pulls back? It probably will. So then you can buy it again on the pullback. Yes, but now I've got to pay tax on the money I just earned. There's no point. There's no point. I don't need to trade it. And it makes you very calm and relaxed as an investor that you don't have to trade. Just because you can trade doesn't mean you should trade. Remember, the only real benefit to trading 100% of the time is for the brokerage. They make money every single time you trade. I like to say, own the casino, don't play the casino. I own the casino. I own the businesses. I don't sell the businesses. I let everybody, when they walk into Amazon, buy stuff, I earn money. When they buy a can of Coke, I earn money. When they buy a Microsoft technology computer or an Apple, an iPhone, I earn money. I don't have to trade them. I own them. And that's what we do as investors, right? So own the casino. Don't play the casino. And every day is exciting. Every day you win. Sold a few things and bought more Coca-Cola. Congratulations. Coca-Cola and J&J, really good investments right now because they're defensive. Look at this. Defensives. Oh, J&J is on a discount now. Coca-Cola, look at the defensive stocks. What a great opportunity. These have the record-breaking dividend payouts going up consistently. They're all being sold today to buy growth. Billions of dollars is coming in the market today. It's going to buy growth. These are the stocks to buy. You don't want to be buying Nvidia today. You own the S&P. You already own it. CrowdStrike, you don't need to buy it. You already own it. It's just joined the S&P yesterday. You don't need to buy it. On Monday. You don't need to buy it. Tesla, too expensive. It doesn't want to go up. It's only worth 110. You don't need to buy it. What you need to buy is J&J, Coca-Cola, just for the dividends alone. Right? So anyway, there you go. That's what I said today. If you are in the UK and you can't buy the S&P, because you can't with Robinhood, I know I've got a Robinhood account. Shall I just check my Robinhood UK and see if anyone has just signed up? And let me share with you what I mean. This is my Robinhood US. So if I'm going to sign out of this just for a moment, I'll just take it off screen so you can't see my sign-in options. Let me sign out. Did anyone sign up for a UK account today? Right, let me do it right now. Let me sign back into my UK account. Let me do it right now. No. No one signed in. No one signed to UK today. Look, this is my UK account. I've got no money at all. This is all free shares by just simply sharing referral links to you, right? So I'm up all time 1,374% Yeah, that's because it's all just free money. It's not real. Well, it is real. It's real money. And I've been getting Robinhood. I don't think I've been getting Apple. I don't think that J&J was available for me to get that. But anyway, there it is. There's my UK. See, if I go click the button there, look, you'll see it's in pounds. So Robinhood is available in the UK. And if you want to get Robinhood UK, let me give it to you now. And I would strongly recommend, if you're investing, not free stocks, but investing, then you want to buy J&J or Coca-Cola. There you go. There's Robinhood UK. All right. Now then, let me log out, and then I'll go back into my US account again. So let me just click log out. J&J is getting cheaper and cheaper. Don't worry how cheap it goes. It's undervalued. The dividends pay for itself. You don't have to wait for the bottom. That's the wonderful thing with it. You don't have to try and time the market with this. It's oversold. Simple as that. So you're not going to lose. Wow. That was quick. Okay, we've just got another new all-time high. You ready for this? You ready? Look at this. 92,778. I can't believe it. Well, I can believe it. It's just keep doing the right thing and just stay doing the right thing. Anyway, let's have a look. Fight Channel, all-time high. $149,000. Bloody hell, Fight Channel. Fight Channel, $149,000. Congratulations to you. Absolutely fantastic. Is that, have I got that right? Fight Channel. Is that $149,000? Absolutely fantastic. Congratulations. Up 7.6% on KBC warrants. Love those things. The most important action is know when not to buy, and is also the hardest, says Sebastian. Pfizer might be a better buy than J&J at the moment. Dividends are higher as well. No, Pfizer is good. I agree, Wadey. I agree. Pfizer is very, very good. I've just done a full review on it, and Pfizer is very, very good. To be honest with you, Pfizer, J&J, doesn't matter too much. I just like J&J because of its legacy, that's all. Pfizer equally has a legacy. I understand that. Bit of both. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Don't penny pinch. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you're going to win whichever you do. It really doesn't matter. We're not. This channel doesn't try to find out, or really care which is the best overall right now. It doesn't really matter. They're both going to do really well. Yes, he said $149,000. Another shout out. Would everyone please congratulate Fight Channel? That's fantastic. Congratulations to you. Wow. Johnson & Johnson has $300 million settlement. Yes, we know. It's absolutely nothing. They have the cash on the side. They have billions of dollars of cash. They could have paid it off years ago. People have been spreading false information saying they're going bankrupt. No, they're not. They separate the business into a bankruptcy filing. So that part of the business can be in Chapter 11, can go bankrupt to settle those claims, to end the litigation. J&J is not going bankrupt, and J&J are not the slightest concerned about that amount of payouts. It's not an issue. There's no issue with J&J whatsoever. So yeah, that lawsuit is nothing. Jim Cramer knows it, and he likes to spread false information on it all the time, as he owns it on the charitable trust. So there you go. Congratulations. HOFV jumped up 20% this week. Finally back in profits, up 7% so far. Yes, congratulations. Nicely fight channel. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Let me make an adjustment in a minute. There we go. Every now and again, you have to adjust the stool, my chair. It just slowly drops, doesn't it, over a few months. There you go. Let me reposition myself. There you go. Right, we're all good. We'll be getting $200 in dividends this quarter from. We'll be getting $200 in dividends this quarter from Coca-Cola and Pfizer. Fantastic! Woohoo! $200. I've got, I think, 400 this quarter. It's going to be my record. I think about 400 this quarter. I want to get $1,000 a month. I mean, I'm a long way away from that. But congratulations, that's brilliant. Well done. IEP dividend is fake, isn't it? It's like 20. IEP dividend is fake, isn't it? Like, I don't know. I've never looked at that. No stock gives you 27%. If it does, the stock price is going down by about 100% every month. So I wouldn't believe that for a second. Martyn, is Sidus a good price at the moment? Malk UK, Sidus. Let's have a quick look. GameStop, rubbish. Look at that. On a day like today, Faraday. Oh dear. All the gamblers today are losing their money and all the investors are just cleaning up. It's brilliant. I love it. I'm sorry. I'm not going to feel guilty for saying that. Gamblers are losing all their money today. Investors are just walking away with everything today. It's winner takes all. So I'm not going to apologize for that. I've been warning for it for nearly 3 years. Anyway, Sidus. It's flatlined. We got into Sidus space at one point. Do you remember? But I was very, very disappointed with Carol. Carol is the CEO. She only does interviews with people that are her mates, and that will, pump her up. I thought we could have built a relationship because she's a piano player, she's a musician, and we had that sort of common interest. But I'm afraid she doesn't like doing interviews for people that are going to say things aren't always so good. She wants people to say everything's always great. So she declines from doing interviews where she could be challenged. She doesn't respond to any correspondence at all. Carol Craig, yeah, very disappointed. Is it undervalued? Well, let's have a quick look for you as you are a member of our channel. Faraday Future going to zero. Watch it. All the money is just going to be taken out of this now. There'll be nothing left for Faraday. Absolutely nothing left for Faraday at all. Let's have a look here. So Sidhu, how do you do? Sidhu. It says it's undervalued, but it doesn't have DCF valuation. So because of the lack of reporting from the company and filings, we don't really have enough information to say if there's any value here. 25 million is the value, and they've got 8.2 million, long-term debt 1.6. They hold 6 million in cash, and they're a very, very small company. Their profitability is 18%. Their solvency is 48%. They're not going bust. There's a good upside from Wall Street, but it's all to do with success on SpaceX flights. No insiders are buying or selling, so there's no action going on there. The problem is it's 6% short interest. That's not major. Look, I've covered all the news. No one's even covering the news. Look at all this. This is all the news on Sidus. No one's covering it apart from me. There's no sentiment. There's no information. There's nothing coming out of the company. I wouldn't buy a business where I can't find out and speak to the CEO. If you can't speak to anybody and you can't get information, why risk it? So it's hard to know if it's undervalued. Anyway, let's have a look at this. Here we go. FFIE. The time is 1:43. 1:43. FFIE, Faraday Future, why is it down so much? Well, for two reasons. One, it has no value. It's going to zero, 100%. On the day, we've got the biggest news over 3 years. Exactly as I said, we're going to get a rate cut in the summer. I started at 5,000. I'm now at 92,717. I've never shorted the stock. I've never done options, and I've never gambled apart from when I first started 3 years ago. Learn from mistakes. Never do that again. Now I just buy and hold great businesses. This is very, very distressing today. Faraday Future, a lot of people who have gambled following cult followings into this stock, and they're all going to lose their money. Because, and why is it going down now? Well, because first of all, there's billions of dollars on the sidelines waiting to come into the market. It's already begun. For the last 18 months, people keep saying we're not going to get rate cuts until 2025-26. Over the last few months, they've been pivoting in and out, in and out. I've been saying for 18 months, we're going to get rate cuts. What this means is, for stocks like this, for Faraday Future, that has no value, people have been playing around and gambling with this now are leaving. There's no point being in it. It's going to zero. And billions of dollars is going into real businesses that make real money. The gambling, the meme craze is all about to come to a crashing halt, because everyone who's gambling is going to lose their money, and everyone who's investing is going to take all. As you can see, I started with $5,000. I'm at 92. I could hit $100,000 today. I've got no options. I've got no shorts whatsoever. I'm just buying and holding great businesses. Be careful if you are in FFIE today. It could crash to zero at a moment's notice. Anyone who's got their money in this realizes now that we've got rate cuts around the corner. It will not help Faraday. You might say, well, that will help small businesses with debt. It won't help them because they've got no business. There's nowhere they can go. They can't ramp up. They can't sell anything. And if you are excited by the handful of cars they have sold, then you don't understand the balance sheet, the profit, the loss, and what is going on in the market. Nobody who's got any sense whatsoever would keep a single penny in this stock. And as I talk about it, it happens every time. The stock is going down and down and down and down. And I want to put a myth to bed once and for all, even though cult followings will pay no attention to this. And I know this because every time I make a video which appeals to the cult following, they only on average watch the first 30 seconds and don't get to the meat of the bones of the video at the end. They only watch the first few seconds, like comic books looking at pretty pictures. They can't spend more than a few seconds reading. This stock is going to zero because no matter what the rates do, no matter how much money comes into the market, it won't be going here. The business is bust, it's broke, it's being evicted from its premises. It doesn't serve any purpose other than gamblers who are trying to get in and out of the stock. Remember, just because you can trade doesn't mean you should trade. And if you buy great businesses and understand the philosophy of trading and investing, understand that rates were always going to come down this summer. 18 months has been telling me that, and it's going to happen. It is happening. It won't happen today. I don't expect rates to come down today, but they will this summer. And what it means is great businesses will take all, and broken businesses like Faraday Future, or if we look at GameStop, all of these businesses have no place on the market, and they're all going down the toilet 100%. If we just scroll back to Faraday, I think I had GameStop there a moment ago, did I? Let me just have a look at it. GME. All of this has no value, no place What? There we go. There we go. No place whatsoever. Now then, tomorrow I am doing a members only opening bell. There will be no public opening bell tomorrow. I want to give back. I've had an amazing run over the last 18 months. I'm doing free reviews for my members. Tomorrow you will not find the opening bell. It'll only be available for members. Special giveaways, special reviews tomorrow for free, and all the paid reviews will be done as well. If you want to get, and we're giving away free money today on a new deal. I haven't even got time to tell you about it. Click above my head for the gold card on Robinhood. 3% match, 1% on all money, and I'm even giving back out of my own pocket as I get my solid gold credit card worth over $2,000. I'm giving back the ones who clicked on my referral some free money for helping me get it as well. I want to share the love back to you. Investment, intelligence, research, discipline works. Gambling doesn't. It will never win. 99% of the time you'll lose. Own the casino. Don't play the casino. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description, over here and over here. Be careful. Today is the day we promised for 3 years. It's here. Take care of yourselves and each other. Oh, right. Let's have a look. Let's go WYY. I bought 10 shares of VOO a few months ago for my 10-year-old son. I've also been fractional by $50 a week for him. Congratulations, Jason Davis. He's going to be one happy kid when he turns 18. You know, Jason, that's absolutely right. Absolutely right. In 8 years, whatever you put in at the beginning would have doubled, and the compound interest will have an effect. What a great gift to your 18-year-old son. Congratulations. Wow, he's very, very lucky. I wish someone had did that to me. You know, as the young generations take more market share, they are very passionate about the morals and health of these companies. You know, as the young generations take more market share, they are very passionate about the morals and health of these companies. That's an interesting statement. Thank you for that. Okay, then, if you've just tuned in, tap the like button and consider subscribing if you want to share this out to more people. Right, we've got to get off in a moment because we are getting ready for a big event. So what we're going to do, we're going to send you all to the extra channel, and there I'm going to send you all to the FOMC report. You don't want to miss it. How can you afford to not watch this today? It's going to be absolutely fantastic. Right, here we go. You've all got that link. Let me give everybody the link for the extra channel. That's where we're going to go behind the scenes in a moment. There it is. There's behind the scenes. Okay, you can be there in a minute with everybody. Let me just double check a couple of things. It's exciting, isn't it? Right. Here's the poll we're running on X. If you've not yet voted on this, here is the X poll. Rates down, hold, or up. 25% so far are saying down. There is the poll. If you want to take part in the poll, I've just given you the link in the chat. Okay. Trying to think now. I'm going to have to get off. Let me give everybody the FOMC report. Here it is. This is the event this afternoone. We've got 5 likes on it already, which is nice. Let me give it to everybody. Wide Point, a new contact. Yes, Wide Point. Yes. Yeah. My mate, my CEO mate at Wide Point, yeah. FOMC live. Okay. Here we go. There it is. There's the FOMC. If you want to go and like that now, click a like. We're going to be there. We're going to cover the FOMC report. You cannot afford to miss it. Leave a comment, leave a prediction. I'll put a poll in here now, look. Start a poll. Rate. Up. Down. No change. Up, down, or no change. There you go. We got a poll. There you go. We've got a poll running there now. You can go and vote on that now. You can leave a like on that now and all the rest of it. Martin, ASTI earn warning is still coming up on the 14th. So your channel has coming up as the 14th on your channel and has also moved again. Yes. Let me have a look. ASTI. We now cover it here. ASTI. Expected June 21st. June 21st. Let me come back to the main channel. Let's have a little look. The interview. Ooh. Big thing here. Earnings on the same day as the interview. Now that's interesting. That's interesting. That's interesting. Earnings. Wow. Let's edit that. Oh, that's interesting. How about it? Says the 21st for me on Robinhood. Nobody bloody knows. Oh, it's now gone the 25th. You're right. It's now the 25th. Okay, it's moved again. I just refreshed the screen. Thank you for that. Earnings. Yeah, 25th now. Whoa, this is exciting. That's even better. No, actually, I would have liked it on the day. That would have been very exciting. That would have been really cool. Right, it's now moved again. Flipping heck, mate. It's unbelievable, isn't it? Right. So let's refresh the screen again. We'll try again. Right. Okay, we'll try again. Try again. ASTI. ASTI. What's the time? $1:56. Right. $1:56. Production. Yeah, I'll call him. I'll call him up. Yes, of course. Right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. ASTI, Ascent Solar Technologies. As you know, Paul Worley will be in my studio very soon. What's breaking news about that? You've known it for a while. The CEO is going to join me to be live with me in the studio coming up soon on the day that we're going to get rate cuts on the next announcement. Not today on the FOMC, but the next time. We might even get it today. Inflation is now dropping like a stone. No surprise. But look at this. This is interesting and very exciting. On the 21st of June, 9 days from now, ASTI has a special event in my studio live. Paul Worley will be with me for this interview here, right here, joining me for this interview. And the earnings has moved to a couple of days later on the 25th. So how exciting for you as an investor to be able to speak directly with the CEO of the company 4 days before the earnings. Ooh, that sounds pretty exciting. So there we go. We've got a great interview with ASTI, Ascent Solar Technologies, just a couple of days, 4 days in fact, before the earnings. It's members only to be able to ask questions. Join me live for the event. You cannot afford to miss it. We'll have the live interview, plus we will have the earnings as well. How cool is that? Do we not bring you the best service of any channel on YouTube TV? I think we do. Click above my head for all the links. Down below here. Also, I'm giving away some free stocks today on Robinhood, and we're giving away some cash prizes. Oh, yes. Check it all out. MartynLucas.com. Join us live down below here. And over here, I shall put the event for the interview, and here I'll put the earnings. Can you afford to miss this? Best service in the world. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. That's what I'm talking about. That's exciting. That's exciting. We'll have that all day long. Right. Maybe we get one's tricky. We'll get 2 rate cuts this year, and the first one will happen, I don't think today, but I do expect it on the next earnings, the next meeting. They've been saying no cuts, and yeah. They've been saying all sorts of stuff to get people to dump the market. Not interested in what they're saying. I do my own research. You do yours. And I have stood by what I've said for 18 months. I'm not here to manipulate the market. Nobody pays me to say anything. I'm not influenced by anybody. I'm not influenced by how much money I make. You can't offer me money to change my mind. You can't offer me $1 million to say anything about anything. I just do what I do, and I share the information. You believe it, you don't, it's up to you. But I'm telling you now, 100%, GameStop's a load of rubbish, going to zero, and FFIE is going to zero, absolutely rubbish. And there it is. What can I say about it? Yep, look at that, the S&P 500. Woohoo! Alrighty then, let's do my FOMC report at the end. FOMC at end. Here we go. Right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Look at this. In this video, a very brief video, I'm going to show you how I've gone from $5,000 to just about $100,000 in just 3 years. No options, no trades, no trading for the last year, no shorting stocks, 100% buying great businesses. Who says you can't make money just by investing in the S&P 500? Rates are coming down. I've said for 18 months. Rates are imminent. Not today, though. However, they will come down in the summer. 100%. Bloomberg, CNBC. 1 minute rates are going up. Next minute rates are going down. 1 minute are going up. Remember, Wall Street are traders. They are not investors. The markets have been manipulated for ages. I'm going to share with you also the philosophy of stocks going to zero. I'm going to show you which stocks are about to go to zero. We are covering the FOMC report live. We've covered every single FOMC report since I started doing these shows. All the earnings for the major companies, all of that's coming up in this video. You cannot afford to miss it. If you are a gambler and you are investing in FFIE and GameStop, you've already stopped watching this video. I know. I can see my viewers who watches what. The cult following YouTubers, the gamblers, they've already switched off. So by now I'm talking to my members once again, which suits me fine. Okay, so what have we got right now? Let's have a look. This is my portfolio. There is Faraday Future going to zero. Anything with no value today is going to zero because rates coming down will not save a business that doesn't make any money. Billions of dollars is about to come into the markets and buy the great businesses. The majority will buy the S&P. Okay, there's my balance, 92,891, all up from $5,000 without any gambling whatsoever. If I hadn't have made mistakes at the beginning, I would already be in excess of $130,000. But I'm glad I did, because you learn nothing from success. You learn everything from failure. If I started investing at the beginning and got everything right, I would have thought I was the greatest gambler in the world, and I would have carried on until I lost it all. Fortunately for me, I kept losing and I learned from it, and now we're winning all the time. Now then, I've got a few things to share with you. First of all, we have got the FOMC report coming up live on our show in just a short while. You got to join us live. You cannot afford to miss it. This is the event here. I'm going to give it you right now. This is the event. We're going to see Jerome Powell be extremely dovish. Now, I want to share with you, and you need to join for this, right? Because this is how you learn about investing. I want to share with you some important information, right? It's really important, right? Part of what I do is look at this. These are the indices from around the world, okay? From New Zealand all the way through to here to where we are in New York. I'm also studying the news of Asia and India. And these are important because these are very big economies. America is not the whole world. A lot of people think America is the whole world. It isn't. And America and the Fed uses a reverse lagging indicator to dictate the economy's inflation rates. Europe, Canada, India, UK use a forward-looking algorithm and a way to calculate it. And they know, hence why Canada cut rates. The European Central Bank cut rates. Inflation has dropped like a stone today in India. All of these things we've already known. We've known. And we look around the world at a global economy, and we've known that inflation is coming down a lot faster than the US is actually saying it is. Hence why we're going up today like a rocket. Now, what's really important is we've got billions of dollars on the sidelines that have been parking their money in bonds and other things, and now they've all dropped like a stone, and they're about to jump in. They're already jumping in. But what you don't want to be as an investor who reacts. You want to be proactive. You want to not listen to the nonsense and Bloomberg and CNBC. 1 minute they're up, 1 minute they're down. Rates are going up, rates are coming down. What's going on? This way, that way. Because what their job is to appeal to everyone, to get everyone to watch the show. I upset a lot of people because I tell you how it is. I don't care whether you subscribe to me or not. I know that my FFIE and GameStop viewers have already switched off because they only want to hear about the gambling. I'm going to be rich today. They don't want me to say FFIE is going to zero. And some other channels, like cult following channels, want to appeal and appease everybody. Let's not upset everybody. Let's keep everybody on side. I don't care whether you like me or not. What I do care about is my members and my family and friends who join me every day. And we want to have the real information, and we want to invest, and we don't want to lose money. We never lose money now. I've not lost any money since I rebalanced my portfolio, went mainstream media, and only started buying the S&P. I've never lost a penny ever. Well, since I started doing that, which was back in January. Before then, I was gambling and taking all kinds of risks. Now I don't do that. So join me today for the FOMC report. I don't expect a rate cut. A rate cut is not being priced in, by the way. What you're seeing here today is not a rate cut being priced in. It's a rate cut being priced in for the future. And I mean, maybe a month away. It could be out today. And don't forget, we don't need an FOMC report to announce a rate cut. As Jerome Powell has said over and over again, we can drop rates at any moment. We don't have to wait for. We can always cut if we've over tightened. We can drop rates, and the rates will come. However, it will not save rubbish businesses like this. The gambling days are over. Now the big money's about to enter the market, and it's going to go into big business. And when people see, even the gamblers start to see that their rubbish stocks, which are going to zero, are losing money, because anyone who's invested in, and I mean investors, not gamblers, who's invested in FFIE, GameStop, any of these rubbish stocks, they will come out, buy businesses, and there'll be nobody left. And those businesses will fail. So join us today. Tomorrow, if you've got this far to the video, tomorrow is a special members-only live stream. I want to give back to my members. Again, I will make less money on the video because only 300 people can watch because I've got 300 members. But that doesn't matter. What's important to me is to give back to my members tomorrow. So tomorrow is members only day, Thursday, June the 13th. And we're going to do free reviews for everybody. And we're going to do all the paid reviews get done. All I'll be doing is doing those reviews for the members tomorrow. So there'll be no stream tomorrow. You won't see my stream anywhere because unless you're a member, you won't see it. All right, click above my head for all the links, martynlucas.com for all the links. We got free stocks we're giving away today on Robinhood UK. We're also giving away free stocks for Robinhood US. And we're giving away the chance for you to win a $2,000 solid gold credit card. And when I get mine, because I'm imminently about to get one, because I've shared out 10, I may need another one or two. They've not been confirmed yet. So please click on my link below as well. I will share out with you what I get as a cash gift to my viewers as well, just as a thank you to those of you that referred, who clicked on my link and then who have shared it on Discord, so I know it's real. I will share that back with you. So click above my head for all the links down below in the description. I'll also post them in the comments. Over here for the biggest event in 3 years, the FOMC report today. Don't expect a rate cut, but expect a dovish message. And at the moment it's dovish, watch the billions of dollars come into the market and all the junk stock go to zero. Down below here, all my reviews and analysis on stocks we review down here as well. That's it from me. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. I'm so excited. Shall I say I told you so? Don't say it, Martin. No one likes a big head. Sod it. I told you so. I don't care. I really don't care. I told you so. Good luck. All my members are making money. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. I'm a bit excited. Forgive me for that. Bye-bye for now. All right, okay. I can't help it. I should be excited. If you're feeling bearish on the Qs, there is the SQQQ at 865. Go Martin, go Martin. Becky, thank you. You've got to be excited, right? If you're not excited about life, what's the bloody point of living? If anyone's already asked this, I apologize, Martin. Your thoughts on BRICS and how you will affect US stocks. The dollarization has already started with countries dumping the US dollar. That makes it more attractive, though, for our imports and exports. So there's pros and cons to that. I'll do a whole video on that, Team Fusion. That requires a whole video. Remind me about that. Wish I bought WYY when you made the video. Big gains. I know. It was undervalued. Becky, in your own TQQ, you can hedge owning SQQ. Green is nice to see. Right, I've got to get off, put these videos out. It's been very, very exciting. What can I say? Look at this. The S&P. I've got to do it. I've got to put it up here. VOO. How do you do? Got to be quick. S&P 500 VOO. VOO is the best way to buy the S&P. It's the most cost-effective way, much better than SPY, unless you are trading billions of times today with algos. Most people, just the average person like me, VOO is the better option. Microscopically different, doesn't really matter. It's about to hit $500. There it goes. Congratulations. Now, why that's important? Psychologically, why that's important? And what is my price target for VOO? I will tell you right now. My price target for VOO within 12 months is, wait for it. Shall I give you a drum roll? Yeah. My price target for VOO is $624 within 12 months. I'm pretty confident of that as well, and it's a rather conservative number, as I like to be a little bit on the safe side, as you know. So that's where I see it going. Why do I think that? Well, there was billions of dollars on the sidelines that have been sat on the sidelines for nearly 3 years, waiting for the news to come that rates are coming down. I don't know why they've been listening to CNBC and Bloomberg. They don't know what they're doing. It's up, it's down, it's up, it's down, it's this, it's that, just to get views, to keep everybody happy. I've been saying, upsetting a lot of people, but I just don't care. I've been saying it's coming down in the summer. It is, maybe even today. I don't expect today, doesn't matter. But the point is, there are billions of dollars on the sidelines waiting to enter the American economy, the American markets. Inflation is falling a lot faster than was anticipated because they're using an out-of-date, behind-lagging system. Europe, Canada, UK, India are using a forward projection. We've known inflation was coming down for the longest time. Now America are catching up with it. Jerome Powell today, what's he going to do? He wants to lead the world again. So what does he do? Does he drop rates? No, maybe he holds them for one more month because we've got to do it a little bit differently here in the United States. But we'll do it better. We'll do it bigger and better next month. That's what he'll do. Bit like shock and awe. Shock and awe. Hang on a minute. If we're going to move, let's move bigger and better than everyone else. So we'll just wait a little bit. You remember how America was a little bit late joining the party with World War II? Remember all that? Winston Churchill, come and help us out. Winston, I can't help you right now, but what I can do is I can take my tanks up to Canada, and if you can pick them up from Canada, we'll send them over to you. But I can't be seen to give you tanks right now, Winston. On the beaches, we shall beat them on the beaches. You know all about it. In the end, America joined in, then became the hero of the day and saved the war. They did do a great thing at the end. It just took them a little while. Now we got it happening again. Jerome Powell's going, hang on a minute. India's bringing rates down. UK are bringing rates down. Canada's bringing rates down. Why are we not using this updated system? I don't know. Don't worry. Shock and awe. What we're going to do, we're going to bring down rates bigger and better the next time. Boom! Here we go. We're going to drop 0.5%. That will show them. We'll on the beaches, my arse. We'll show them. There you go. So anyway, rates are going to come down. I'm sure that America will suddenly bring it down a bit more than everyone else and do a bit of a shock and awe. But nevertheless, there we go. There's my prediction for VOO, the S&P 500. How do you do? We shall fight them on the beaches. We shall fight them in the air. Never has so much been owed to so few. God bless America. God save the king. Click above my head, down below. It's a green day. We're about to hit $100,000 from $5,000. Yep. $5,000 I started. I don't do options. I don't short the stocks. And I've got $92,985. Everyone's loving it. And as we talk about it, like I said before, all the junk stocks are going down and down and down to zero because all the big money is coming out, going straight into the S&P. How do you do? God bless America. God save the king. Click above my head, down here, over here, over here. FOMC report in a minute, coming up down here. Members only day tomorrow, members only live stream. Nobody will see it unless they're a member. Giveaways, prizes, free reviews, you name it. How do you do? Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, I'm loving it. FOMC at end, then VOO, free reviews. Okay. Oh, yes, it's Members Day tomorrow. We're celebrating giving cash prizes away. We're doing all kinds of stuff. Free reviews for members. As you can see, my portfolio has just hit another all-time high, about to hit $100,000. This is exciting. So tomorrow to celebrate, we're going to do free reviews for our members. You will not see an opening bell tomorrow for general public. It won't exist. It'll be a members-only video. If you are a member, you'll find it. Look below on the homepage and you'll see members-only live streams. But unless you're a member, you can't join in, because tomorrow I want to give back to all my members free reviews, cash prizes, cash giveaways, you name it. We're having fun. We're making money. Let's share it out. Join me tomorrow for Members Day. I know I'll get less viewers. I'll make less money. Doesn't matter. It's never been about me. It's always been about the members. So join me tomorrow for Members Special, opening bell, members only. Let's give it all away. Click above my head, down below. I'll post the FOMC report here we're about to get, and the members only event just down there. You cannot afford to miss it. Become a member. Why not? It's easy. Bye-bye. Oh, I'm loving this. This is the best day ever. Aha, I just want INQ to go up. Come on, Liam. I've been in the S&P for 11 years, and with Match, I haven't made much money. It sucks. I haven't made much money. It sucks. I've been in the S&P 500 for 11 years, and with Match, what do you mean you've not made much? It's not about how much money you've made. It's about the percentage you've made. If you put $1 million in it, you make a lot more money than if you put $1 in it. It's not important how much money you've made. It's the percentages you've made. Say less, members only club. Say less smoky. Members only club. Who's that? Who's that? Members only club. I'm loving it. Say less smoky. Say less? I don't understand what that means. Anyway. Look at this. Liam's laughing his head off. This is one of our trolls. No, it's not. It's not one of our trolls. Is this one of our members? What's he laughing at? What's he saying? What's he saying is a clown? What's the funny? I don't know what's the funny. Anyway, you laugh all you want. We'll have the last laugh when FFI goes to zero and GameStop goes to zero. Anyway, do what you want. Right, I've got to get out of here. So let me send everyone now to the extra channel. What am I going to do? Yeah, redirect to there. Right, I've got to get these videos out and prepare for the FOMC report. I've got phone calls to make, people to talk to. There it is. Right. Let's do day trader of the day. Are you up? Are you down? Who's made the most money today? Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. Let's get out of here. It's day trader of the day. Who's made the most money? Let's roll the credits first of all. Let's roll the credits. Here we go. I am up 1.83. Whoa. 1.83%. There we go. We got a super chat from Sebastian. Thank you, Sebastian. Stars of our show. Super chats from Sebastian. Thank you so much indeed. No subscribers today or anything else like that. No members. Thank you guys. Let me put my score on. Oh, he was laughing at that. The American thing. That's what he did. Right. Okay. Up 1.83. 1.82. I'm loving it. Up 2.43. Damn it. I thought I was going to win. Up 2.94 blood eclipse. That doesn't, unfortunately, it's members only. It's a members only competition. Up 4%, 4%, Seth Houston. Up 7%. Oh, Fight Channel. I'm loving it. Up 2.35, up 3.1. Fight Channel is gonna win. Yes, Fight Channel is the winner today. No doubt about it. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a big thumbs up. We're loving it. Let's do that again. That was a bit slow. There you go. And a big thumbs up. Fantastic. Congratulations, Fight Channel. Dan, John, I know. It's good, 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 good. MSK, we're loving it. All right, that's it from me. I've got to get out of here. See you back in a minute for the FOMC report. All the latest videos. You cannot afford to miss it. Gonna be a great day. Exciting, exciting, exciting. Expect a drop when Jerome Powell speaks. Doesn't matter. I'll just buy more. I ain't bothered. I'm not selling anything. Members, Martin, an 1800 Patek Philippe watch bought in 1982 is worth 480 grand today, but the same money invested in the S&P is only worth 260 grand. Okay? Right? Well, what about the passive income? What about the tax-free dividends? What about you got to find a customer who's going to pay you 480 grand? Are you seriously telling me it's better to buy a watch than a business? I mean, you know, I could buy a lottery ticket, which makes me more money. Doesn't mean to say I'm going to use it as my financial strategy. Anyway, good luck with that. I've got to get going. 13%. Sebastian, are you up or down? You too late. You've missed it. We've run out of time. I don't know what happened there. You run out of time. I've got to go. I've got to get ready for the FOMC report. I'll be back very, very soon. You cannot afford to miss it. It's the big event than the last 3 years. Until then, as always, breathe, relax, enjoy life. We shall fight them on the beaches. We shall fight them in the air. So much has been owed by so few. In the human... You get the idea. Great show, Martin. Thanks, guys. Thank you a lot. See you in a bit. Members Day tomorrow. Opening bell. Not visible by anyone. It's a Members Day. Ta-ra.